If you're looking for the perfect gift for a foodie or home chef in your life, stick around because today's video is all about 10 surprisingly unusual gifts that are perfect for anybody in your life who loves food. Now, if any of you are like me, you're probably looking for the perfect gift for a friend or family member in your life, which is always easier said than done. So today I want to help make your life a little bit easier by sharing with you my favorite gifts for the home chef who probably seems to have everything already in their kitchen. The unique thing about this gift guide is that these are items that anybody who loves to cook will actually use over and over again, and also they'll teach them to be a better chef. And if you're smart, you could probably bribe them and make them make you either a meal or a cocktail with some of these gifts as a thank you for giving them an awesome present. First up, we have Sourdough Starter, which is the perfect gift for any home chef who likes to bake. Live sourdough starter actually has a better chance of surviving compared to starting your own starter with just flour and water. Throw in a sourdough starter cookbook and you've got your friend endless recipes to try. And don't forget to tell them that they have to name their sourdough, which is a little bit of a tradition in the baking community. Up next, we've got one of my favorite, which is Himalayan salt glass shot cups, as well as a bottle of nice tequila. Now, these shot glasses would look super cute on a bar cart. They're pink, they're beautiful, I love them. And a nice gift to go along with that would be a nice bottle of tequila. If you're not familiar with buying tequila, make sure that when you're browsing around that you get something that is made with 100% agave, which is going to be the best and most purest taste of your tequila. Throw in a fresh bag of limes and you'll be ready to get the party started. My third gift idea won't come as a surprise if you've been following me for a while, a charcuterie board and a nice set of cheese knives. Now, when I'm looking to buy a charcuterie board as a gift, I typically like to buy something that's usually about 15 to 18 inches wide. This is going to make sure that it's a good sized board that you can fit lots of different cheese and toppings on. You'll also want to make sure that the board is going to be easy to clean and stain resistant so that way it stays nice and pretty, and your friend can also use it as a display in their kitchen. If you are looking for a little bit something extra to add to that gift, you could always find your favorite cheese and throw it in there as well for an extra little treat. I don't think I've met anybody who doesn't like pizza. So if you have a friend who loves a good weekend baking project, the Pizza Bible is the ultimate gift for them. This book teaches the exact science to making the perfect dough, selecting the perfect cheese and toppings to make the best pizza you'll ever have. It's a really fun book if you have a friend who likes to experiment, cook up different recipes, and learn some science along the way. You can also throw into this gift a big pizza slicer, which if you've never seen one of these before, it's the ultimate pizza slicer. It's sharp, it's efficient, and you can even chop your salad or brownies. It's multiple uses in the kitchen, and it's perfect. I love it. I use mine all the time. Up next is a gift for any of your friends who love a good kitchen tool. A butane kitchen torch is going to be a great investment for somebody who likes to finish off dishes with a little bit of fire. You can make creme brulees, which is one of our favorites, or finish off any beef and fish that come out of the oven and just give it a nice golden touch on the top. Don't forget that most of these butane torches don't come with butane, so you'll have to buy that separate. It's really cheap and can make a great addition to the gift, so that way they can start using the tool right away. Up next, we've got one of my personal favorite cake decorating tips. If you've got a friend who loves to decorate cakes, cupcakes, or cookies in the kitchen, this gift is gonna give them endless possibilities of ways to create beautiful desserts. I also like to throw in a carrying kit just to make sure they keep everything nice and organized. For any of your friends who claim to be that at-home bartender or who are always the bartender at your party, a good gift for them would be some accessories to help them step up their cocktail game. Ice is an often overlooked part of cocktails, but can definitely elevate your drinks and make them feel and look super pretty. So my two suggestions here are getting oversized ice cube trays, which are good if you're serving liquor just by itself with a big cube of ice. It makes it look super pretty. You could also get them an ice bag and a mallet to help them crush just normal regular kitchen ice that doesn't look super pretty and make it nice and pretty and crushed for your drinks like your Moscow Mules or your mint julep. Every home chef needs a super quality kitchen knife. This is my favorite essential for the kitchen and something that I definitely could not live without. A quality kitchen knife makes all the difference in the kitchen, and it will be something that they will have for a really long time. You can also throw in a honing steel to help them sharpen their knife in between uses. Up next, I've got some book recommendations for any foodie that might be looking to step up their game in the kitchen. Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, as well as the Flavor Bible are great books to invest in if you're looking to learn more about flavors, seasoning, and just how to become an all-around better chef in the kitchen. These are my favorite books for any home chef who's looking to start creating and developing their own recipes at home. Anybody who loves food loves trying out new products, so I've got a honey and a spice set that would make great gifts for anybody who wants to try out some new flavors or add some new seasonings to their recipes. I hope this gift guide inspired you if you are looking for gifts for either the holidays or somebody's birthday or just a special occasion. I promise you any foodie or home chef will love these gifts. If you have any other ideas, feel free to throw those in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.